Hello, everyone. Have you ever wondered why some people spend months in the gym but still see little or no results? They exercise regularly, they follow workout videos, they try different routines, but their body does not change. The truth is simple. Most people are not exercising too little. They are exercising the wrong way for their body. Today, you will learn 7 signs that your workout routine might not be working, and more importantly, how to fix it. First, think about this. Most people go for regular medical checkups. We visit doctors, we visit dentists, we even check our eyes. But almost nobody checks the health of their fitness routine. Instead, people copy workouts from the internet, or they follow random advice like, do more cardio, lift heavier weights, exercise every day. But every body is different. Your fitness level is different. Your posture is different. Your flexibility is different. That means the same workout will not work for everyone. Sign number 1. You always feel exhausted. Exercise should make you feel more energetic. If every workout leaves you tired and drained, your training intensity might be too high, or your body may not be recovering properly. Sign number 2. You are not seeing results. If your weight has not changed in weeks and your strength is not improving, your workout plan may not be effective. The body adapts quickly. Without the right structure, progress stops. Sign number 3. You feel constant pain. Pain in your knees, pain in your back, pain in your shoulders. This usually means your posture or movement pattern is wrong, and many people ignore this warning sign. Sign number 4. Your posture is getting worse. Look at your shoulders. Are they leaning forward? Is your neck bending toward your phone? Poor posture is extremely common today, and the wrong workouts can make it worse. Sign number 5. You have low stamina. If you feel tired quickly while walking, running, or climbing stairs, your cardiovascular endurance needs improvement. Your heart and lungs must be trained properly. Sign number 6. Your core is weak. Your core muscles support your entire body. A weak core can lead to poor balance and back pain. Strengthening your core improves almost every movement. Sign number 7. You do not know what actually works. Many people feel confused. They do not know which workout to follow. They do not know how often to train. And they do not know which exercises are best for their body. Without a plan, workouts become random effort instead of real progress. So what is the solution? Experts recommend doing a proper fitness assessment. A fitness assessment evaluates important things like body composition, posture and alignment, strength, flexibility, core stability, functional movement, cardiovascular endurance. With this information, you can create a workout plan designed specifically for your body. This improves results and reduces injuries. Remember this, exercise is like medicine. Medicine only works when the right prescription is used. The same rule applies to fitness. Once you understand your body, your workouts become more effective, and your progress becomes much faster. If you want to discover a powerful fitness system that helps people burn fat, improve strength, and transform their health faster, check the link in the description. Start building a smarter workout routine today. Your future self will thank you.